Every rupee you spend on ads brings traffic, but the moment you stop spending, that traffic disappears. Now, e-commerce SEO operates on a different model. Once your product pages are optimized and ranked organically, customers can discover your brand over time. Let's look at how growing D2C brands can optimize better for Google search. The long tail strategy. To establish a strong search presence, you cannot rely on broad search terms. If you target a generic keyword, example, earrings, your page gets lost in millions of competitive results. Instead, look at long tail keywords. Example, handmade silver jhumka earrings. These specific search terms have significantly lower competition and higher buyer intent as customers already know what they want to buy. Additionally, smart brands look at regional and local parameters, high intent terms, connect you with active buyers that national brands completely ignore. Example, silver jewelry Surat. What you can fix. To align your product pages, you need to execute 3 immediate updates. First update, optimize your product titles. Move away from generic tags and follow a structural formula. Primary keyword first, followed by key features and variants, keeping it under 60 characters. Expand your descriptions to at least 300 words. Do not just list features, answer real questions about care instructions, materials, and sizing. Third update, rename your image files. Change from img_1234 to descriptive terms like silver-jhumka-earrings. This, combined with descriptive alt tags, directly indexes your inventory into Google image search layouts. The platform and expectations. Technical SEO can be complex, but with Amazon Smart Commerce, it handles it automatically. The platform uses fast, mobile responsive themes and adds structured product schema, helping your products earn rich Google search results with star ratings, pricing, and stock availability. Paid ads stop the moment you stop spending, but structured SEO keeps working long. Start by selecting your top 20 high-performing products, refine their titles, descriptions, and images, and let Amazon Smart Commerce handle the technical side. Explore Amazon Smart Commerce. Link in description.